Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the tour guide system. This is the TT113 transmitter and this is the receiver. Let me show you how to use it. It's very easy. First we need to turn on. You can see this is the channel, the signal and the battery. If you want to pair with the receivers, first we need to go to the pairing mode. Press the plus and minus at the same time. Now you can see the channel is flashing and you can adjust the channel. Let's change it to 18 and press the power key for 3 seconds. Until the signal is flashing. Now it's in the pairing mode. We can turn on the receiver. After turn on, you can see the lights flashing. And please make sure they are within 2 meters, and that way after you turn on the receiver, it will pair automatically. When the blue light is always on, it means pairing successfully. For this transmitter, it's the built-in mic. Now we can press this one to confirm. Okay, you can see it's stable. And now we can talk to the receiver. Hello, hello, hello. It's in a working mode, and it's in a working mode, so the light will flash sometimes. It means it's working. And now we can check the sound as the receiver. Hello, 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 hello. You can speak to this part directly. It's the built-in mic. Not sure if you can hear clearly, but I can hear now. Okay, and that's it. If you are too close, it may have the effect, so you can just leave a little far. And it also has the mute function. Just press the plus key. You can see this means mute, and just press again. You can talk again. And it also has the one key function to turn off all the receivers. Keep the receivers the same channel, and long press this one for 5 seconds. It will turn off. Okay, you can see it shows off, and also you can see the receiver is turned off now. And at this moment, you can press any key to go to the standby mode, or press the power key to turn off. Now we turn off. Okay, this is how to use this one, and now we show you how to use the hand on neck one in the next video. If you have any other questions, feel free to get back to me by support@retekess.com. Thank you.